I'm here now at New World Hotel Makati at Cafe 1228. Ayan. Are going to have dinner here. Ayan. Ang cozy ng place. Ang ganda ng ano niya, lightings, ang ganda ng setups. Ayan. Pero syempre gusto natin di sa maliwanag. Para pag nag-video tayo at kumain tayo, maganda yung presentation. See you later! Seafood Station. Noodle Station. Chinese Station. This is the Chinese Station. So this one,
For carving po. Upon request, we will check po.
crispy pata.
Yes.
Crispy pata, oh, masarap yan.
And deep fried soy chicken.
Okay. We have the grilled chicken. And star of the night. Star of the night. Ito ang ating mga sauce. Red wine sauce. And mushroom sauce. Chef, ano to? Chicken?
Chicken satay po, saka beef satay.
Ayoko ng dry kasi. At yung medyo malambot na may dugo-dugo. Alam niya ako, di ba? Ay, hindi pa yan. Yan ang siya. Ano? Oh, perfect! Look, pwede na muna. What's your name? Chubby. Kaya po sabi niya, shout out natin si Chubby. Yes, I'm here now inside at Cafe 1228. You can see, nakabuffet tayo. Kanina, nakita niyo na yung video kung gaano kadami yung food of choices natin from this is an international buffet. We have Filipino rin. At the same time, meron tayong, siyempre, ito, to die for. My favorite steak. So, ayun, so, included na rin ang lahat ng drinks, juice, iced tea, pineapple juice. Pero yung red wine, beer is not included in the buffet. Okay? And also the pizza is not included. So, yun. Pero may catch to. This is very affordable dinner buffet for a 5-star hotel. Watch na until the end of the video. So, start tayo muna sa aking steak. Siyempre, buhusan natin muna. I just put some soup. Ayan. So, umorder na ako ng red wine ko. So, ang red wine ko ay Anli. Anli din ang red wine. So, I can mix it with beer. I can mix it with white wine. Yun. Hanggat kaya mo. I like the steak. Pairing with with red wine. Winner. For the meantime, this is calamansi iced tea. Cheers! Sarap ng ice cream nila, may calamansi.
Sir, the one you ordered, Terbega Merlot, 2023 from Chile po.
Thank you.
Pepper for sir.
Please, thank you. So, pairing with my steak and
More sir, more?
more. Ilagay mo na lahat yan.
Lagay lang po lahat.
Thank you. My wine.
Thank you.
Sarap. Sarap ng wine nila. I love Merlot. Siyempre, the best pairing ang ating steak. Ito ang real steak. So, masyasya kayo sa price. Promise. Okay, I'll eat first. So, pag kumain kayo dito, gusto nyo mag-only wine, red wine. You must try. Masarap ang kanilang red wine na Merlot. Okay, nag-try tayo ng Asian food. Of course, Asian food is meron kasama Filipino. They have the crispy pata. So, ang maganda kasi, ni-request ko kay chef, I want crunchy. So, dinoble fry niya. And then, look at this one. This one is like pork binagoongan in shrimp paste with eggplant. So sabi ko, sige, try naman natin, di ba? So we have the Filipino. So looks interesting. So syempre we have the sausawan for the crispy pata. So halika na. Atin ang i-discover ang kanyang, uy, mukha namang masasatisfy ako ni Chef Kit. Hindi pala si Chef, basta si Chef. Good. Thank you. least hindi siya maalat. Masarap tong ano niya. Yung kanyang pinakasiyang kung saan yung sausawan ng kisipata natin. Sarap. Like it. Let's try the pork binagoong with eggplant. Unique siya with eggplant. Yan. Perfect bite with rice. With rice. O, para mag-perfect bite natin, huwag na tayong marte. Mag-spoon tayo, di ba? We have the talong, we have the pork and aray and rice. Perfect bite. Sarap. So here I have pasta made by Chef Nicole. This is called tortellini aglio olio. Oh, kayo na bahala kung mali ang pronunciation natin because it's Italian. So, ang ganda ng pasta niya, colorful. May green, may orange, may yellow. Ang sarap ah. Masarap siya in a sense na no meat. Pero siguro yung nagdala dito yung oil and the cheese. Chef Kit, sabi ko konti lang. Ano to? Dampa? Grabe ka! Grabe ka, Chef Kit. Sabi ko sa'yo, konti lang. I have crab. I have satay. I have the chicken. I have the beef. I have the shrimp. I have the crab. I have this ano ba to? What do you call this? Basta yan. In butter. Nirequest ko. Pero, well, this is awesome seafood ah. Para ka na nagdampa. To the tune of rice reveal later. Actually, I asked the chef kung may magre-request pwede ba. Ito, pinapil ko tong tipo na to. Pinapil ko. And he is very accommodating. Walang kaarte-arte. Sabi niya, sure, sir. Gawin natin yan. So, eto na. Food tasting na tayo. Wow!
Thank you.
Grabe na overwhelmed naman ako dito sa seafood na to ha. Ay. So, nila, I know it's good also. Sarap ng satay. Kapit pa dito. Grabe, sulit na sulit dito. Chicken satay. Ang sarap ng beef satay nila. I like the chicken also. Sarap. Look at the crab. Ang Ang sarap ng seafood nila, fresh talaga. Quality. Tamis. Yung hipon na yan, may balat yan. Sa totoo lang, hindi ako kasi mahilig kumain ng shrimp na may balat. So, nirequest ko, tinadulpan ako. Ang bait ni Chef Kit. Ang sarap ng seafood. Oh. Ang tamis. Outdoor Chef Jason. Sa kanyang tempura. This is sa Japanese station ko. Yan, kasama to. Itong ating salmon. I have salmon here. Yan. Ito yung tempura. Bagong luto. Bagong luto yan. Sarap. Oh, ayan. What's this? My last steak courtesy of Chef Nicole. Ayan. Ang bait-bait talaga nila. Very kapamilya ang aking peg dito. Ayan, so syempre with the red wine, diba? Syempre dapat with the sauce ng ating steak. Actually maganda yung pagkakagawa niya ng steak ko. Mukhang this one is perfect. Price reveal tayo later. Sige. I will enjoy my steak, my red wine, and maybe some, I don't know, if I can take some dessert pa. Hahabol ako. Okay? Yes, and pag nag-book kayo pala, don't forget to look for CJ. Nasa front desk siya. So, ibig sabihin, pagdating nyo, nandun siya sa information, hanapin nyo si CJ. Babae yan, si CJ. Kasi siya yung nag-endorse sa amin dito sa loob prior na nandun katabi niya si Ma'am Tini. Ayan. Happy ako for this experience. Na-finish my steak, my red wine. I have meron pa rin tayo dito mga dessert at price reveal tayo. Okay? May dessert. Hokkaido tart. Castella. Tapos this one is pudding with walnut. Yan. Dessert, I have the Hokkaido tart and then the Castella, parang Japan na dessert cake, Chef Leia. Yan. Ang sarap po ng kanilang Hokkaido tart. Feeling mo nasa Japan ka. At hindi siya matamis. Yung alam mo yung tama lang. Sarap siya. Try natin din yung kanilang Castella. Red one. Punuin mo na yan.
Thank you na, sir. And more, sir.
Yes, more. Maglalas pa ako na. Thank you, Matt.
Papalamig pa ako.
Thank you. Cheers. Advance Chinese New Year ko na po. So ito yung Castella daw nila. Sarap. at hindi matamis na matamis. Quality. The quality ng food nila talaga. Promise. Ayan, nagustuhan ko yung Hokkaido tart nila, tapos yung pastela nila. Let's try their walnut pudding. Ay, masarap naman. Thank you in advance, Ma'am Tini, and the staff of the whole New World Hotel dito sa Cafe 1228. Ayan. So, start pa rin tayo ng... I hope you enjoy my vlog na mura, sulit, quality. Yun ang importante, always the quality food, na ang ganda ng ambience, ang ganda ng quality ng food, fresh, at the price of very affordable. Yun lang. Thank you for watching and God bless. Noel David TV. Thank you for watching. Bye! Weekday, ang rate nila, Sunday to Thursday, dinner is 3,568.48, less 60%, magiging ang total bill mo is hindi kasama ang wine na only wine. Ang kasama is only drinks, soda, juices. Okay, para lang klaro tayo. So, iba yung rate din nila pag weekend, dinner, and lunch. All you have to do is go to Eat to Go. Eat to Go ang number 1 na kailangan yung pagbasihan. Anyway, I'll just post the Eat to Go para malaman nyo kung paano nyo siya gagamitin. Kasi ang maganda lang talaga dito is you don't need to wait ng 9 p.m., 8 p.m., 8:30 p.m. If you want a 60% off, 7:30. If you want a 50% off, it's 6 p.m. That's it. Weekday, weekend, they have different prices. Except holiday. Pag holiday kasi, hindi kasali ang mga discount. Regular yung rate nila if it's 4,000.